Forget painful legs. Forget that heaviness and unpleasant feeling at the end of the day. No more swelling. No more varicose veins. Feel free and enjoy any moment in your life without any pills or medical treatments. Finally, in the heart of Switzerland, the solution of poor blood circulation was found. The SANKOM pattern socks. The first socks in the world anatomically designed and clinically proven to improve blood circulation. The socks have 6 different levels of compression, which helps to move the blood from down to up gradually. The SANKOM pattern socks will energize your legs and will provide support to your muscles all day.
Over 80% of people are affected by sedentary lifestyle. My goal was to find a solution what would be effective and accessible to everyone.
The SANKOM pattern socks will help you to improve your blood circulation. The gradual compression will reduce the stagnation of the blood, energizing your legs instantly. No more swelling, no more varicose veins, no more problems. The SANKOM pattern socks are the only socks in the world with diagonal compression, which can be worn for a long time, helping to improve the blood circulation. The SANKOM pattern socks are easy to wear and the most comfortable compression socks in the world. The SANKOM pattern socks are made with zinc oxide material, which provide antibacterial effects, help prevent infections, reduce odour, calms rashes and irritations. The SANKOM pattern socks are available in 4 colours: white and beige, grey, black and dark blue.
I first started running to improve my health and figure. I began to run regularly and it soon became a good habit. The more I ran, the better results I got. But gradually my performance stopped improving. My legs started to tire and I couldn't run as fast anymore. Until I started to use SANKOM compression socks. They instantly improved my performance by improving my blood flow during runs.
A 5-star product that improves the life of people instantly. There is nothing like it on the market. Socks that relieve and fix your leg problems.